welcome back. We're back at this little parking lot on the Grom. Probably just going to be practicing stand-up stuff, and yeah, probably going to be it. So let's get to it. Pretty good, half a circle-ish. Harder than turning to the left. Just not anywhere near as comfortable. Feels weird. Feet hurting already. It's annoying how much double peggers hurt your feet. How about I just stand on it with a different part of my foot? You like really got to lean your hips over to get it turning. Double pegger and step up to seat stander and see if we can do any turning in seat stander. Maybe never really tried to do like a whole circle in seat stander. I've tried to turn a little bit, but not full circle. All right, double pegger, get comfy, up in seat stander now. Turning is hard. Turning in seat stander is a lot more difficult. But since that was not too bad stepping up to seat stander, and I'm definitely getting that down better, let's try stepping up to seat stander and then back down to double pegger. Alright, double pegger, seat stander, back probably can't fucking see anything. I wonder if I just adjust my camera and basically point it down if you'll get any view of my feet. So I'm gonna try that, I guess. Maybe like that. I don't know. I feel like you really don't get it. I have no idea. I'll have to go and look at this footage. Maybe you saw that, maybe you didn't. I don't fucking know. But that was double pegger up to seat stander, back down to double pegger. I wonder if I can do that, get back down into double pegger, and then try to turn around over there. Maybe? I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Double pegger. Exhausted though, and I've been having problems with my throttle hand wrist the past like week or two. It's just been, my wrist fucking hurts a lot. Like if I bend it all the way forward or all the way back, it's just, it really fucking hurts. I don't know if it's because of all the wheelie practice or I don't know, but it hurts and it sucks. I wish it didn't hurt. Let's try some sit down circles, because fuck, I'm so bad at those and I need practice. I think the sit-down circles hurt my wrist pretty bad too though, so I don't know, probably won't do too many. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, first one terrible as always. Locked into it, it feels fucking awesome, but it, I don't know, it's scary and hard to get locked in. I feel like that, it started spinning real quick and I just wasn't fucking ready. Like it's trying to throw you out of the circle all the time. And it definitely helps, like the feeling of getting thrown out, the higher up you are and the less on the brake you are, it definitely feels like you're more locked in and it's not trying to throw you out as hard, but it's just so hard to get there without slowing down too much and killing it. Fucking hard, man. Wheelies are hard. good until I was getting too far back and too on the brake. Once again, killing it. I just suck at the... I'm also running out of gas. I suck at the fucking circles, god damn it. I need to spend more time on them, but every time I do, I'm just disappointed. Why's everything gotta be so hard? Fuck. Alright, maybe one more try and then I'm gonna fucking give up. Fuck. Alright, I'm giving up. Oh, that fucking hurt my wrist too. Shit. Alright, well. Couple of good bursts there. Did some standing up to seat stander and back down and stuff. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.